VTR 24 retrofit kit for 2x4 luminaires will come with the retrofit kit itself, a small booklet of installation instructions, and a bag containing the wire nuts, self-tapping screws, and the retrofit kit label. Lastly, the kit will come with 2 side mounting brackets as well as 2 end brackets. First, we will begin by removing all of the old components from our existing luminaire. This is going to include the lens, any lamps, center channel, ballast, and lamp sockets that may be in the current fixture. Next, we're going to start the installation process of our retrofit kit by installing the end brackets. These are going to be mounted on the ends of the luminaire using the self-tapping screws provided in the hardware bag. Once those end brackets are installed, the side mounting brackets can be installed by clipping the side tabs into the end bracket slots. Next, we will slide the retrofit kit in place using the slotted keyholes in the end brackets. The slotted keyholes are actually located on either side of the end bracket, which allows the retrofit kit to be placed in whichever orientation is needed. Once that retrofit kit is in place, we will attach the safety cables to the mounting holes under the slotted keyholes. That retrofit kit label that was included in the hardware bag will be stuck to the luminaire housing, and the retrofit kit can be lowered into a position where the power will be connected. The last thing to do will be to use those locking latches on the sides of the retrofit to lock it in place.